So, hi everyone. There is a $1 billion question that has come up, that is, can LLMs earn $1 million from real world freelancing software engineering? So, we have been hearing these myths that AI would be replacing software engineering soon. You should be looking out some alternate career, etc. And this time, OpenAI has come up with a new benchmark, that is SWE Lancer, try checking that whether the available LLMs, be it Claude 3.5, be it O3, be it Grok 3, can these LLMs solve real world engineering problems and earn $1 million by doing freelancing on Upwork? And this is an absolutely brilliant paper that I have been reading, and I would be trying to summarize this paper for you and its results. So it's a very exciting benchmark that OpenAI has introduced, and very meaningful also, because now it's a real world problem that you're working on rather than the setup benchmark numbers, the data sets. So first of all, let's understand how does SW Lancer work. So what they do, basically you get an original issue. Example, this is the issue that you need to resolve. Then model generates the proposed fix, and then score and evaluation happens. If scoring passes, the model earns this much amount of dollars. So basically, if you have been using Upwork, or if you are known about Upwork, you know that people post their problems that they want to solve, and eventually you have a prize for it. So eventually, given all the real world problems, the LLM would be picking out a problem, solving it, and if it passes, it will earn some money. This is how the SWA Lancer works. This is the diagram that you are able to see here. For example, original issue is this. Different proposals that are given are this. The language model chooses a proposal, try running that, comparison and scoring happens, and then in the end of the day, once the solution is accepted, the model earns $1,000. 1,000 is the cost of that problem, right? This is how the earning is shown. So we would be now jumping on to some more details about the SWE Lancer that I have summarized here so that you don't need to read through the entire paper. As mentioned, it is a benchmark created by OpenAI to see how well AI models can handle actual software engineering, like fixing bugs and building new features. So, it is designed to mimic the freelancers doing platforms on Upwork using real tasks worth a total of $1 million. So, all the tasks that were designed in the benchmark cost up to $1 million, and the tasks include about 1.4K tasks. So, it's a huge benchmark data set that the team has created. SW Lancer include tasks like bug fixing starting from $50. So they are smaller tasks also, and feature implementation ranging till 32K. So this is very high. So the more complex problem you solve, the more money you get. It tests both technical skills and management skills, like choosing between different technical proposals. The benchmark is open source, so even you can test it out. Now comes the interesting part: which LLM performed the best? And for my surprise, after so many news we are hearing about DeepSeek, and we are hearing about O301 coming in, still Claude 3.5 has outperformed all the other models on SW Lancer. This model was released way back, and till now in coding, we haven't found a match for Claude 3.5 Sonnet. That's the best part. Other points to note is that the highest money earned is $400K dollars. So out of 1 million dollars, the best LLM can earn was $400K dollars. That means still a pool of $600K dollars is remaining. As you can compare it with O1, it was 380K, and for GPT-4o it was 303K. Now, after the benchmarking, there are certain issues the team has summarized that LLMs are struggling with: debugging and root cause analysis, that is RCA. AI locates issues well. It is able to figure out what issue is there, but struggle to identify the root cause. So basically, why this issue is coming out, it is not able to identify that. Contextual understanding: models falter on task needing deep technical insight. And economic viability: AI manages repetitive tasks but can't fully replace humans, especially in creative or complex problem solving. So this was the three outcomes that the uh, SWE Lancer benchmark came out with, and it's very exciting because for the first time I can rely on a benchmark. Else, all the benchmarks were looking quite obsolete now, and this looks to be exciting because it indicates towards real world engineering problem solving by LLMs. Because whether actually LLMs would be replacing human beings, I really don't think so after looking into the results of SW Lancer. So concluding, I think SW Lancer puts AI to test of real world freelancing. So before that, it was just a pool of questions. Now it has opened up to real world problems. Claude 3.5 is still the king in coding. I think that I also believe And LLMs can assist with repetitive coding but fall short of fully automating software engineering. I think this is my understanding as well. So there was a point where I was assuming that AI might replace humans, but I think replacement is a strong word. Our jobs are looking safe for now. Thank you so much.